Alright fellas, keeping it simple today. I just have a little trout magnet, pink and white are the colors I'm going to be using today. Just bouncing these off the bottom, looking for some trout here. Nothing real fancy. There you go. There's one. What is this? Little bass. Little white. There you go. Easy release. So I'm tied up back again. And on these bodies, on these lures, you want to try to make it as straight as possible on the hook. So it's not like, to make it like as natural a presentation as possible. So that's how I like it to sit usually. Kind of perfect, kind of not perfect. But you get the idea. I'm switching over to white now. See how white works. White over pink. See how it works out. I'm just slightly bouncing it off the bottom. Letting it sink. Slow retreat back. I got something. Somebody told me crappie was in here. I'll eat him. I will. Oh, he got off. He got off. Oh my God, I need some crappie. I would love a crappie sandwich, man. I would love them. I moved over a couple feet more. Try to get away from that snag I got over there. I got caught up 2 times, same place, so just made a quick move. It's paper mouth, so I'm gonna net this guy. I want one of these. Somebody told me it was crappie in here, and here they are. They're nice size. I think I'm gonna keep them. Keep a couple of these crappie. That was instant. Another one. Oh, right down in there. It's like instant. It's like dropping reel over there. Suit. Probably like this white color, so I'm gonna keep fishing the white. I don't know how many was in there, but I got 2 in a row in that one spot, so take a little bite. Perch. A lot of mixed bag fishing here. Nice yellow perch. Calm down. I'm gonna let you go. Just perch. There we go. What's this here? Something here. Nice smallie. Smallmouth bass. Smallmouth, another species. So we got a smallmouth, a perch, a bass, crappie, and now a smallie. Nice smallie. Let him go. All about patience, man. Sometimes you gotta leave your jig there, just pop it off the bottom and they'll come out and snag it from you. They like that. Sometimes it's a reaction strike, sometimes they're hungry, and then sometimes they just, you know, being territorial. Oh, that was a nice smallmouth. Looked like I had one on, but he came off there. So we'll try to give him again. So he's just patient off the bottom and popping it. A little smaller, one a little bigger than that. Just put them back. This is a huge bluegill. Spot wasn't too good over there. Should have just moved over here. Oh, the old additive, never leave fish to find fish. Well, I did that just now. I left those fish because it wasn't the kind of fish I was looking for, but I guess catching something is better than nothing over there. It's very slow on that side. So I'm back at the falls here. I'm gonna give it a try here again. I want to try over here. There's a pool over here that I want to try. Some deep water here, right along here. It's like very calm. I think that's where some fish will be hanging out at, looking to get out the current. You know, fish don't want to work too hard. They just want to eat. And like us, you know, they want to eat as quick as possible without spending too much energy. So you're looking for those pockets of water that are right along rough water and the current break there. So that's the kind of pockets I'm trying to fish here along these falls. See what happens. Switch back to pink. I may switch back to white in a minute, depending on how it, cause I caught all my fish on, I think, on the white one, except for one that got off. So I don't know. I may go back to the white in a minute. Let's see how this works out. Yep. There we go. We got some life, fellas. This is Smallie, I think, before he's fighting. Smallie. Smallie bass. Smallie bass. Smallie bass. Let me get your smallie bass. This water is very cold now, man. Got cold quick here. Let me get you. Got cold quick here, this water. So I caught him right along that deep, dark water over there on the edge there. There's a lot more fish over there. Unhook him so you can see him. Nice smallie bass. We'll release him. Let him go. Let him grow. I don't understand. Like, it's got a lot of small bass in this river, and I never catch any with any size on them, and I'm interested in that because I know they're not a fish that people eat, like target for the table. So I don't know why I don't see more of those in here, some size on them, but I hear there are. So I'm gonna cast right back over there in that dark water near the wall, like some life over there. Bass, the crappie, trout, hopefully they're all together there. Inching it along the bottom, very slowly, popping the wrist. That's all I'm doing. When it hits the water, I get a lot of my hits when it first hits the water. That drop is where they hit it at. Another crappie. Come here, crappie. Don't run, crappie. Don't run, crappie. I got you, crappie. Oh, man. I don't know, man. These crappies aren't huge, but they're keeper size. And like I told you guys today, I am strictly fishing for the table right now today. Haven't been posting a lot of videos, so you guys know I haven't been fishing. So you know my freezer is empty. I don't buy fish like that. Only fish I buy is whiting, maybe occasionally. But you can't buy these in the store. So, and they're the best tasting freshwater fish I think I've ever I know about. So, all right. So pink works for crappie. Obviously, pink and white. I caught a crappie on the pink, and I caught a crappie on the white, and one got off. So I know they're biting this color today, so I'm gonna stick with it until it don't work no more. But they're in here, so that means I'm gonna stay here for a little bit, and then on the way out, I'll probably go back to the other spot. There it is again. Oh man, missed them. They're right in there. All right, I think I targeted them. I know where they're at now. So they're in trouble. Oh man, that was a huge smallmouth bass. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was a huge smallmouth bass. Oh my God. Oh, that hurt me. I saw him bite it. I saw him come up and bite it. Oh man. I had to be like 2 seconds more patient and let him eat it. I'm trying to get that big fish. Oh my God. That fish looked huge that fell on that bait. Another crappie. That one's has a black spot on his tail. That one. All right. Smallmouth. This is a largemouth bass. Largemouth has the stripe on them. I caught every kind of bass today. Largemouth. Here you go. This trout magnet catch, I guess, every kind of panfish there is. It's an easy one to do. Come out here in your local stream or river and catch some fish, man. It's perch here. This is a pumpkin seed. Oh, we're catching everything, man. This trout magnet pink is on fire. It's on fire. So this is a pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed. A nice fish. Let him go. Let him go. Let him grow. It's on fire in this little hole over here. It's on fire up in here. It's burning hot. Little pink trout magnet, man. Another bluegill. I'm not gonna keep a bluegill today. I really want those crappie. Really want those crappie. But those are fun to catch. Hopefully they don't invade this section here and I can get some. I want that big bass I saw in here. I don't know, man. I gotta go in an hour, but I want that. You know, anytime you see that. Oh man, this is dropping real. Oh man, unbelievable. Dropping real out here. Don't shake that. Don't shake that. Don't shake that. I'm netting the crappie because I want to keep him. Oh, see how he spit that? That wouldn't have been, he wasn't staying on long. Paper mouse. He wasn't staying on long. I didn't know it was that many crappie here, man. They here. They here. Body's starting to tear now. 3 fish, 4 fish. I think I got 5 fish off this body. Not bad at all. There you go. Woo! Perch. That was a perch. We got here another little sunfish, little called red breast or pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed. Let him go. Let him grow. Smallie. Smallmouth. Like I said, man, I'm letting all them go, man, because I want to catch big ones. Those things fight hard. I want something I gotta use my drag for, man, when I catch those, because those fight harder than any common fish in this area right here. That smallmouth bass is a feisty little guy. They fight, they jump also. They jump like rainbows. Another smallie. Smallmouth bass. This one's a little bigger. A little bigger, but still not as big as they can get. Go back into your hole. That's a bigger size one. That's a nice size. That's the bigger one I was talking about, guys. On top of it.